Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and thank you for joining me. Now in this video we'll be doing a tutorial on some of the stitches in crochet. We have a base here of about 20 chains, and what we're going to do is insert our needle in the top portion of these chains as I'm showing you there. So let's go ahead and get started. We insert the needle in the top part of the chain, pull the lead thread through, go back to the lead, and then pull the lead thread through both loops. Your first single stitch. Let's do that again. Insert your needle, grab the lead and pull through, go back to the lead and pull through again. The top portion, insert your needle, grab the lead, go back, and there you have it. You are creating single stitches. Now on this very first row, we are inserting the needle through the chain to complete the single stitch. Now as we continue to the second row, we're going to insert the needle completely under the chain, just like that. So let's flip this over. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, you insert your needle under the full chain, grab the lead thread, pull through, go back to the lead, and pull through both loops. Again, we go under the full chain right here, grab the lead, and there you have it. Go back to the lead and pull through both loops. And there you have it. You are doing single stitches. Not so difficult, right? Go ahead and keep practicing until you get it right. As you can see, these are very tight stitches, very compact. But as we go through all the stitches, you'll be able to decide which one is best suited to you, which one you like doing. Now this is what it looks like on both sides. The single crochet. And there you have it. When we come back, we'll be doing a tutorial on the half double crochet. Go ahead and practice. We'll see you in the next one. Walk good.